Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows build and installing pending updates. This rules out known bugs. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. Make a restore point now so you can roll back if needed. You do these steps first because corrupted system files are the most common cause of a blank Windows security app, and this sequence fixes integrity issues without complex fixes. Once system files are healthy, you reset services and re-register the app. First, open Services and restart Security Health Service, Windows Defender Antivirus Service, WD-NIS SVC, and related dependencies. This restores communication. Then run PowerShell as admin, getapps package Microsoft. Sec Health UI all users reset, or use AdApps package to re-register the package. Make sure group policy or HKLM/software entries aren't blocking access. If enterprise policies exist, contact IT. These steps fix permissions and package inconsistencies that leave the UI blank. Finish by isolating external conflicts and validating user profiles. Perform a clean boot to disable third-party startup items and services. If the app returns, re-enable items in small groups to find the culprit. Also create a new local administrator account and sign in to test whether a corrupted profile caused the blank UI. If the problem persists, collect event logs and Windows Defender logs, then run an in-place upgrade or repair install. This preserves files and usually restores the Windows Security app. One tip: if nothing helps, try an in-place upgrade before a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.